ka pa din.
My love. You are God's blessing and light in my life. And I entrusted and surrender this path of ours to Him. For whatever path that He will lead me, I will follow.
Congrats, brother. Para sa yung araw na to.
Thank you. Cheers! Itong time na to, lagi talaga akong naniniwala kay God. Perfect timing na to. Hindi mo ako nakilalang mas bata ako or older ako. Kasi iniisip ko, what if nakilala kita when I was younger? Maybe hindi ko nakita yung sobrang worth it mo na tao.
There are only 3 adjectives that Saint John Paul II used to describe what is nuptial love. First, it must be free. Second, it must be faithful. Hindi pwedeng may kabit. Sisirain ninyong pamilya. And third, it must be fruitful. Maging bukas kayo sa biyaya ng buhay na ipagkakaloob ni Jesus. Beloved brethren, it's my great joy that I present to you a lovely couple, Jasper and Jennifer, as husband and wife. Let's give them a round of applause.
Kakainis. Alam mo ba? Siyempre, sobra. You're as beautiful as the first time I saw you. Sa lahat ng nakilala ko, nung nakausap kita nga, nung first time natin magkita, magkasama, doon ko naisip na sobrang interesting ng tao na to. Nandun yung part na hindi ko maisip kung hook na ba ako sa kanya or yung pagiging interesting niya during our conversation. Very smart siya kausap. Alam namin sa isa't isa, nung time na yun na parang pwede siya maging partner ko, maging asawa ko, maging anak ng mom ko, na parang yung maturity level na understanding namin sa isa't isa, nandoon na siya.
Na-meet ko siya at a time sa life ko na I already had goals. And parang nagko-complement yung views niya and goals niya with mine. So parang we're past the stage na happy or career building. So I'm glad na both kami ready to have a family.
Getting higher and higher.
When I first met you, it was as if we've known each other for a long time. Nakaupo ako sa Starbucks at umiinom ng caramel macchiato ko. At hindi ako kinabahan. So siguro ang bilis lang siya, unlike sa ibang relationship na 8 years, we need to get hitched. Pero yun nga, kung makikilala mo siya, alam mo na yun na. So it doesn't really take long to determine na siya na.
It's a big day! Josh! Kailangan mo naman ng first social. Yung maganda-ganda.
Kahit na naman. Ay, okay yan, G. Kasi yan.
Came dancing through,
God, it's done!
swept me to place.
Bye, see you later.
Beautiful today.
Yes, let's leave.
Gusto ko na habang tayo ay nag-iisang dibdib bilang mag-asawa, ay mag-grow pa rin ako as a person. Kasi kung hindi ako mag-grow, wala akong maibibigay na pagmamahal sa'yo o pagsuporta. At kung ano man ang gustuhin mo sa hinaharap para mag-grow ka din as a person, susuportahan kita.
I wanna grow old with you. I wanna yung growth natin is sabay. Walang mauuna, walang mauhuli. If someone is feeling natin na left behind, let us remind each other. Maybe magbabago man tayo sa huli, but let's keep moving forward together.
Again, let's welcome our newlywed couple, Jasper and Jennifer, and give them a round of applause. Jasper, you may kiss your wife, Jennifer.